Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. There was a dramatic market reversal today, which brings up two very uh, illustrative points. One, when all the indicators are telling us that we are now in an uptrend, we're above the T line. It also had the caveat that if we knew there was a major announcement coming up, you still had to be prepared as far as what to do based upon that announcement. Obviously, that bearish kicker signal that formed today told us there's now a dramatic change of investor sentiment, that we've got a bearish pattern in progress. First, the bearish kicker, now the prospects of a bearish J-hook pattern. The reason I point this out is candlestick analysis is not let's put it this way. Candlestick analysis tells you exactly what's going on in investor sentiment. That means just because you think or it identifies it's going in one direction, it's not always the correct direction. That when it changes, you want to have the ability to know what to do when that changes and take advantage of the new investor sentiment. So successful investing is not only going with what the investor sentiment is telling you, it's telling you what to do when there's a change of that investor sentiment. Somebody asked today or on the YouTube site said, well, if we had bought on based on it should be positive on Tuesday or after Monday, we'd been wrong. And the answer is no. You want to learn all the aspects of candlestick analysis. When would you be buying on positive trading? Upon saying positive trading. If you're waking up and seeing the market's going to open up down 600 points, obviously you're not going to be buying on positive trading, knowing that it's gapping down. Now your strategy immediately tells you what to do. You should be looking at any of your long positions that are showing weakness and closing them out and maybe going short. But there's another element of candlestick analysis that is greatly in favor of the probabilities. The strong buy signals, the fry pan bottom followed by a best friend signal. Notice what the result of Rivian today, one of our recommendations. It was back to even. What'd that tell us? That this pattern right here was more relevant than what the overall market was doing. When we recommended the lithium mining companies, same scenario, LTHM is still in an uptrend. Why do we know that? Because they've never been able to close it back below the T line. So one of the benefits of candlestick charts is it reveals which sectors, which patterns, which signals have bullish sentiment that are probably going to be less influenced by an overall market pullback. Worst case scenario is if we know what we should be doing, that is confirming a candlestick signal pattern, like the doji sandwich. If it opens positive, it's going to trade positive. So if you're buying right here, what do you do if there's a big reversal? You close out the position. Hopefully you're coming out at a break-even level or better. So you want to use the information built into candlestick analysis, not only to tell you what the probabilities are as far as a direction move, but if they change that direction, you want to know what to do immediately upon witnessing that change. So right now, we were starting to buy some call spreads on Apple yesterday. We closed them out when it gapped down. Now there's a whole new trading strategy. If the markets look like they're doing bearish J-hook patterns, the big stocks that everybody's following also doing bearish J-hook patterns, we want to change our strategy. We want to start going back short again with the prospect that if this is wave one, wave three is going to show more downside. We're trying to find the strongest bearish signals. like in Wayfair, doing a bearish kicker signal. If it starts trading lower, obviously we're going to be shorting or buying puts. So don't let the recommendation that you should be doing one thing meaning or have a meaning that that's the way it's going to go. If it changes, you, as a successful investor, have to know what to do immediately to correct that trade. So to get that insight, come join us for the 2-week free trial. I mean, this is no skin off anybody's butt to come and try this for a couple of weeks. We're not pushing signals, patterns, or anything. All we're doing is showing you the logic of what the signals and patterns are showing. If that doesn't convince you, then you need to be going on to something else. But the logic behind candlestick analysis is so simple that no matter what type of chart you apply it to or what trading strategy you apply it to, it's going to dramatically improve your results. We're going to be doing the ultimate candlestick training on September 24th. This is where you take all the pieces of candlestick analysis and what to do to keep your emotions out of your trading. The market trend analysis, what are the strong signals and patterns in that trend? What confirms those signals? What's the best entries? Where's your stop losses? Where do you take profits? Once you have that all in one visual glance on a chart, now you don't have your emotions in your trading. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.